So what we do next here, I take my chickens, take them out of the sauce, give them a quick dab. You don't want to be too rough with them and squeeze all the juices out. All right, so there's our chickens. They've all been prepped, injected, and next we're going to apply the rubs. So we got some Cosmos Hot Dirty Bird. We do a light coat of that on the backside. Remember, chicken is a delicate meat. You can really overpower it by going too heavy. You want to accent the meat, you don't want to overpower the meat. And then we got sweet honey pecan.
Can you be a judge and have a nut allergy?
So I go over the skin. This is, the backside's more, is where the flavor is going to come from. That's because, just think of it, all your taste buds are on your tongue. You pick up a bite, you pick up a piece of chicken, you bite it, the first thing that hits the chicken is your tongue. So that's where your flavor is going to come from, is the backside. The top side is presentation. And so that's where having a nice, even coat is important. So again, I'm doing a light coat of the Hot Dirty Bird, okay? Top coat with some sweet honey pecan. When doing my rub combinations, and especially for competition barbecue, is I always read the ingredients, and I don't want to repeat. I don't want to repeat. And so I'll pick a rub that first ingredient might be sugar, the next one has to be salt. And then I just look and try to find based on the ingredients, what's a good flavor profile? What am I trying to accomplish with the rest of my cook? Include, the sauce and the injections and everything like that. So yeah, so like this one, the Hot Dirty Bird, salt, sugar, chili powder, and other spices, brown sugar. And then this one, sugar, salt, honey powder, spices, paprika. So you could see that, different flavor profiles of what we're trying to accomplish. Be careful with heavy sugars on chicken. You don't want to go too heavy with anything, especially chicken, because we cook that kind of what I would consider hot and fast. We have the smoker set at 300. We have the smoker set at 300, so kind of on the very edge of what people would consider smoking meat, but it's more barbecue. We have that. Our next step is we have our little gadget here. So this is called a fowl form, and fowl spelled like the bird, F-O-W-L, fowl. And basically I just take the chicken, I kind of put it in here like so. I don't know if you can see that. And then I give it a little twist and I snug it up in there like that. Take my next one, I put it in, stretch the skin, roll it right into place like that. And then I'll just take this divider out, get it started, slide it over, push the skin under, push the meat under, and that's that. I come by, do a little bit of doctoring with the skin, make sure the skin is down. All right. What we'd like to do at the end of getting all the chickens in there is, like I said, is we'll go through, get them all situated with a little knife, and I'll hit them again with just a little bit more rub, just to, because I could see some bald spots where I probably touched or scraped something. Go along the sides, push the skins down, eliminate the wrinkles now. So let's see. I like this one. Top it. It's got a little more reddish paprika. And it's just a touch up. So we just go over the top. Okay. So there you have it. We're ready to go on the smoker.